Okay, so hey everybody, welcome back to another video. Today I've made a firework display map in piggy build mode. There's only 2 fireworks, one at a time, right? First subscribe and tap the bell and like the video. 25,000 likes. Here we go. I changed the bot skin to Alphys, so it'll be double the scariness. I just want to get this over. Okay, that has been exploded. Let's go in here. Yellow safe. I didn't put a yellow key in the map. Oh, we don't have to use the yellow key anyway. We got red key here. Okay, nothing in here. There's nothing in there. There's hidden ammo. I need a plank and they're old. Actually, I don't want the bot skin to be Alphys. That is a freaky. No, we're not having. How about I put the spawn off the map so I don't have to deal with any scariness? It's already double scary, so we don't need the red key. So you don't need it on that building anyway. Okay. This is a bonus chapter of chasing the rat, by the way. I don't know if we'll ever find this stupid rat. Oh, I did not jump. Okay, just in case I fall. Okay. Whee! When I started, at the beginning, it went down here. Like, use it. Use it. Okay, there's hidden ammo on this map. Can we find any ammo? No. Okay, there's a lot of hidden ammo on this map. There's one. We found some. Okay, we found some ammo. Here, didn't we? No, was it for that? Is it? Dude. Yeah, it's there. That's tricky to find. I'm pretty sure there's more. Where does this green key card go? Oh. Oh. Yeah, I was hoping for that. Okay. White key. Wait, is this some parkour? This is only short. That was quite an easy map. Okay, I want to see this time if I can find all the ammo. Because I want to see, like, if I missed it. Let's look in here. Ammo, no, but there's a red key and a yellow safe. Wait, hold on. Okay, there's a gun. Oh, we never spotted that bit before. Okay, I should be trying to beat this map, dude. But oh yeah, I'm supposed to be up here. I said up there, not down here. Where are the fireworks? Oh my god. And guys, can I tell you when Chapter 8 is coming out? Chapter 8 is coming out on the 9th of November, which is on Tuesday. Like 3 days tomorrow. Okay, so there's something to look forward to. Okay. Any hidden ammo that we can see. I think there's something there, but no. Red key card, dude, that goes down here. I cannot use it. There. Okay, green key card. Is there anything that we missed? I missed this. that was there all the time. The whole entire time. So before I was like this. And I was like, is there ammo? And I completely left the room. There's ammo right here. The heck? Okay. Green key card. This is like a Tower of Hell map. My new Tower of Hell map will be coming out after chapter 8. Okay. No, I died. Doesn't matter. If you guys enjoyed this video, like the video, subscribe, and tap the bell, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye for now.